Want to know how to see who viewed your TikTok profile? Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life and today I'll walk you through the process of how to see who viewed your TikTok profile. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the TikTok app on your screen. Then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you can see your TikTok profile. Now tap on the footstep icon right beside the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Here you can see all the people who have viewed your TikTok profile for the past 30 days. However, only people who have turned on the profile view history will be shown. So this is how you can see who viewed your TikTok profile. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.